Hello friends, let us now learn some previous year questions in PGIMER. Which of the following is not niacin positive? That is niacin negativity. If you see, Mycobacterium bovis is niacin positive. Sonnei, Mycobacterium sonnei is also niacin positive. Whereas the drug is negative in, sorry 1 minute. Which of the following is not niacin positivity? Look, in the Mycobacterium tuberculosis is niacin positive. That too human type of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, it is positive. Mycobacterium bovis is negative. Niacin negative in Mycobacterium bovis. It is positive in Mycobacterium simiae and it is positive in few strains of Mycobacterium cheiloni. That is only for few strains it is positive. So it is negative for these two. Mycobacterium bovis and Mycobacterium sonnei, it is negative. Next question. Feco-oral transmission. Feco-oral transmission is seen in hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis A, hepatitis E and rotavirus. This hepatitis B is IV, that is through blood, whereas herpes simplex is by droplet infection. Okay, next question. Oria fever is caused by Bottonella bacilliformis. It is caused by Bottonella bacilliformis. Vector for Orientia tsutsugomoshi is Tsutsugomosi. The vector is Chigur. Actually, for Orientia tsutsugomossi is a scrub typhus. Scrub typhus, it can be called as Chigur or L. denensis larva. These two are the names for the vectors of scrub typhus. Okay, this is actually leptotrombidium. This is leptotrombidium deliensis. Leptotrombidium deliensis, which is also called as Chigur. The larva of this leptotrombidium deliensis is called as Chigur, which is a vector for Orientia tsutsugomossi. Next question. Wheel Felix test is positive for OXK. In scrub typhus, Wheel Felix test is positive for OXK. K scrub typhus. Okay, for scrub typhus, Wheel Felix test is positive for OXK. Minimum infective dose of Shigella is 10 to 100. Minimum infective dose of Shigella is 10 to 100. Next question. Acute hemorrhagic conjunctivitis is caused by Coxsackie type A24 and enterovirus 70. Even adenovirus causes acute hemorrhagic conjunctivitis. Acute hemorrhagic conjunctivitis is caused by Coxsackie virus type A24, enterovirus and adenovirus. Next question. Zones of operation theatre include, in the operation theatre we have septic zone, aseptic zone will be there. It is not septic, aseptic zone will be there. There is protective zone, clean zone, sterile zone and disposal zone is present. In hospital, in operation theatre, there is septic zone, aseptic zone will be there, but anyways leave that. There is protective zone, clean zone, sterile zone and disposal zone is present. Next, true about acanthamoeba infection is, acanthamoeba infection causes keratitis. True. Contact lens increases the risk of keratitis. Definitely contact lens increases the risk of keratitis. Not just acanthamoeba, even the Pseudomonas also. Then it causes keratitis only in contact lens wearers. False. Okay, acanthamoeba can also cause keratitis when it's associated with vegetable material. whenever vegetable material comes and enters our body, our eye, it can cause keratitis. Even in immunocompromised ill patients or patients undergoing chemotherapy, even in them, this acanthamoeba can cause keratitis. Then also causes encephalitis. Yes, acanthamoeba infection can lead to encephalitis, and immunodeficiency is a risk factor. Right, next question. Haemophilus parainfluenza requires factor 5 and only factor 5. Haemophilus influenza, if it's Haemophilus influenza, that will require both factor 5 and factor 10, but Haemophilus parainfluenza requires only factor 5. Next question. Meningococcal infection is predisposed by which of the following complement factors? Meningococcal infection is predisposed by complement factor 5 to 9 and in properdin. Meningococcal infection is predisposed by complement factor 5 to 9 and properdin. Next question. True about 8th pandemic of cholera is? 8th pandemic of cholera is caused by serotype O139. 8th pandemic of cholera is caused by serotype O139 and it spread in Bangladesh 1992 to 1993. It spread in Bangladesh 1992 to 1993. This 1961 pandemic, which is spread in Indonesia, is actually 7th pandemic. It is 7th pandemic. 8th pandemic is caused by serotype O139 spread in Bangladesh in 1992 to 1993. Then next question. Which of the following is not spirochete? Which of the following is not spirochete? Borrelia is a spirochete. Leptospira is a spirochete. Lactobacillus is not a spirochete. Actually, it is a bacteria. Whereas varicella zoster is a virus. Fusobacterium is not a, it is also a Bacteroideae family. So, Fusobacterium, varicella and Leptospira are not spirochetes. Next question.